Today we're featuring the new 2021 Toyota Rav4. The stylish front grille and fascia of the Rav4 is home to Toyota's pre-collision system and radar dynamic cruise control, both part of Toyota's Safety Sense, the innovative suite of active safety features designed to help avoid or mitigate accidents. Another feature of Toyota's Safety Sense are the automatic high beams integrated into the LED headlights and LED daytime running lights, designed to maximize visibility in all conditions. The color-matched door handles integrate smart key technology, allowing you to keep the key in your pocket and still unlock the vehicle. The Rav4's height-adjustable power rear tailgate allows for ease of use, and the LED taillights give the fastest braking notification possible. The color-keyed side mirrors incorporate blind spot monitor indicators and include rear cross traffic alert. This, along with lane-keeping technology in Toyota's Safety Sense, ensures the Rav4 will give you layers of safety features. Once inside, you'll notice the power tilt slide moonroof with one-touch open-close. The 60/40 rear seat reclines and folds to maximize cargo flexibility and passenger comfort. Additional rear seating options are also available, and the Softex seating surfaces adds luxury and ease of use for cleanup. The overhead console is home to storage, sunroof controls, and the Safety Connect button. Safety Connect is for emergency services or roadside assistance communication and free for 1 year. The Rav4 also comes with in-cabin Wi-Fi for a no-charge trial period of 6 months. The leather-wrapped steering wheel includes hands-free controls for phone and audio, including SiriusXM, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa. This Rav4 XLE comes with an 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat with power lumbar support and heated front seats. The spacious center armrest console holds 2 of the 5 USB ports, and the shifter console holds controls for the Eco, Normal, or Sport drive modes, as well as the multi-terrain select controls for mud, sand, rock, or dirt travels. These settings allow you to personalize your driving experience to maximize fuel economy, as well as maximize the vehicle's all-wheel drive capabilities. The Rav4 is powered by a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, a stalwart of the Toyota lineup. In fact, traditional gas or hybrid models are both available. And remember, every Toyota comes with Toyota Care, a complimentary maintenance program covering all factory-recommended service for 2 years or 25,000 miles, and roadside assistance for 2 years, regardless of mileage. So see where today takes you in the new 2021 Toyota Rav4. For any additional information or to schedule a test drive, please contact our sales team.